Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
The overall objective of Imo Security Organization is to support and assist the established security agencies in maintaining law and order and ensuring the provision of security and protection of lives and property in Imo State. Imo Security Organization will also assist in preventing unauthorized persons from being in possession of firearms. Part of the recommendations of the white paper is to sanitize land administration in Imo State, and that is exactly what this law is going to achieve. The agency established under this law will be charged with the automation of land and property information with the express objective of identifying ownership, improving customer care experience, and providing a platform for data aggregation.
It became very necessary to enact this law in order to provide a good environment for Imo people, for the security of Imo people and our property. And that the governor, in his proactive nature, brought this bill for Imo State to do justice upon.